Hello, my name is Tanuj Zamani. I am captain of Group 3, which is currently going to participate in Technoxian. I am from electronics branch and I work in domains regarding autopilot and multicopters.
Hello everyone, I am Divyansh Pandey from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch and I work on electronics and mechanics of this aircraft.
Hello everyone, I am Sai Limburger and I am working on RC plane and also I am managing my team.
Everyone, this is Siddhi Sahu from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management and I am pursuing BTech in Electronic and Communication. I am from Robotics and Aviation Club and I am currently working on drones and RC planes.
Hello, I am Bharat. I am from Sri Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management and I work with Robotics and Aviation Club and I am currently working on RXC planes.
Hello, this is Jay Rathingani from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management and I am from Computer Science and Electronics branch and I am an active member of Robotics and Aviation Club and currently I am working on power distribution of electronics component in drone and RC planes.
We are soaring high. We are